Hello, my name's Kevin Salvage from Leader Europe, and I'm the Sales Engineering and Technical Marketing Manager based in London in the UK. Thank you for joining us today, and we're going to go through how leader scopes are used on set to ensure that your production is delivered to the post-production house with the minimum fuss and inconvenience so that they can then do their creative work and deliver a quality product to your end clients. With the growth of high-end feature film type programming for the new OTT streaming services like Netflix and Amazon, feature film production techniques are starting to be implemented by more and more productions. Although well funded, they do not receive the same level of funding that feature films enjoy. So although they use many of the same production techniques, they have to also make savings without compromising production values and the quality of the final product. One of the ways that productions have managed to walk this tightrope is by ensuring that the on-set technical monitoring of the production enables any mistakes to be corrected immediately on set without relying on it being fixed in post at additional cost. So why do we need a waveform monitor on set? Well, before you start recording, you must ensure that your camera is set up correctly. It may be that you're renting the camera and you need to check the settings prior to carrying out your production. It could also be the case that you've got multiple cameras and you need to ensure that they're all matching. So, ensuring they are all set up correctly is essential before you even start recording. Traditional film cameras are now being replaced by digital film cameras that record directly onto solid state removable media. To ensure that everything is being recorded correctly, some form of monitoring is required. Monitors can look different due to the amount of light reflection on the screen or how the monitor was calibrated. So this is why we need to have a waveform monitor on set to give us an accurate representation of the signals that are captured by the camera. Having set the white and black balance, we now need to set middle grey. Middle grey is halfway between white and black, and this is traditionally set up using an 18% grayscale chart. It's called an 18% grayscale because it reflects 18% of the light. Always ensure that you've turned off the knee and white clip on your camera before carrying out this adjustment. The main goal of this chart is to see a variety of neutral greys from pure black to pure white. There will never be a colour tint in any of the bars. Grayscale test charts are used to fine-tune colour balance in cameras more accurately than white balance. Again, as with white and black balance, you need to ensure that your camera's 18% middle grey is set correctly prior to any recording commencing. And the only way to accurately achieve this is by using a waveform monitor on set. The waveform monitor shows you exactly what's being decoded by the camera. So you can now see if there is an issue with all of the channels, the red channel, the green channel, or the blue channel. And with the leader waveform monitor and its customizable layout, you can view both the picture and the waveform simultaneously, making setup and adjustment really simple and easy. So now that we've set up the white balance, the black balance, and the 18% middle grey using our leader waveform monitor, you're ready to start your production. We hope you found this video interesting and informative, and it will assist you in your day-to-day operations as part of your productions. If you'd like to learn more, why not subscribe to the Leader Europe YouTube channel? To accompany this video, Leader have a white paper that details how LEADER scopes are used in onset production. If you'd like to receive a copy of this white paper, simply use the QR code, register your details to download a copy.